How to stop Spotify from playing suggested songs. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Vipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can stop Spotify from playing suggested songs. Now the process is quite simple and easy. What you want to do is you want to first open up your Spotify application. Here you should get an interface like this, right? What you want to do is you want to tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen, and you'll be headed into this page. Now here, if you scroll down below here, first you'll get the auto mix option. You can disable this if you want. Now this will basically disable the auto mix, and the songs that you are playing on an album or a playlist will play in according to its playlist. Now however, if you want to disable or stop Spotify from playing suggested songs, you want to scroll down below here, and here you can see you'll have to find the option that says autoplay similar content. It says enjoy non-stop listening will play something similar when what you are listening to ends. So you want to disable this in order to disable the suggested songs from playing. So this way you can disable or stop Spotify from playing suggested songs. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.